Hey champs, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Tag Along with Chai. And I try to stay positive here, champs, but I call it the drone drama. Yes, it is going to be a drama. I always try to finish in a positive note. I try to leave you with a good, joyful feeling. Why is this episode called Drone Drama? Well, I'm going to explain to you, but I also want to mention that I'm not going to be like Mr. Negative here. No. I'm going to be also taking you to the university garden. Actually, we are there already, or at least a part of it, and we're going to visit the reservoir, also located near the university, attached to the university, I should say. We are at the University of Chiang Mai, one of the biggest universities in the north of Thailand, and I'm a little bit surprised because it's 4 o'clock right now, and there's no one here. What is a good thing, because that makes me comfortable taking my mask off. Let me take you to the reservoir. I'm gonna do some cool shots while I'm telling the story. Normally it's all positive, champs. But yeah, let me start with the downside of today, and hopefully I can leave you with a positive note at the end of the video. Amazing gardening, beautiful day. The sun is shining, so it's gonna be it's gonna be a good day to shoot. Alright, champs, we're at the foot of Ang Kheo Reservoir Dam. This is a small dam, just a small dam, but it's holding back a lot of water from Ang Kheo Reservoir. Let me try to find a nice place. We're gonna walk up and sit somewhere near the water, I think, or at the water, and I can tell you the drone drama story that I have. Actually had, I would say. It's all over now. Don't really want to talk about it, but I'm gonna have to do it. And then again, I'm not gonna bring you down, champ. I'm here to cheer you up. So yeah, let's definitely finish this video on a happy note. And in the meanwhile, actually, coming up the dam. Oh my God! See, it's not all gonna be a negative story, champs. I can tell you that already. This looks amazing. Look at actually Doisetep is right there. Doisetep Mountain and Doisetep Temple. It's right up there. I think you can see it. The sun might be blocking it a little bit, but right at my pinky finger, that's where the famous temple is. I think the camera is not great if I talk to you like this, so I'm gonna walk all the way there and then take you all along as far as possible. And while I'm taking you for that little walk, I would like to tell you my drone drama in Thailand. I'm gonna have to tell you this because I promised you guys drone shots, and that might not be happening for another 2 months, 3 months. Anyway, I'll tell you in a minute. I don't want to be like intruding people here in the park and saying like, hello, I'm here. I'm here though, I'm here. But you know what I mean, I don't want to disturb them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you a little bit further down. This park is carrying on for a little while, so I'll take you down. I think we can talk a little bit about my drone drama on the bridge, because it looks like no one is really on there walking the bridge. Just gonna check it out, champs. Stay positive, stay positive. I'm not here to tell you anything about this bridge. I'm actually I'm here to tell you about my drone drama. And I'm saying this with a smile, and I always like to keep smiling no matter what. But obviously sometimes in life things happen. And then again, this is not the worst thing ever. Like, this is just a minor thing, but it's still a bit annoying, I would say, while we're having this beautiful view. Yeah, so what this channel needed, I think, still needs, is a drone. I meet my fellow backpackers, fellow travelers, and they're all having like this coolest shots of the surroundings. And my camera is good, but it's not good enough. Sometimes I'm in such a beautiful area like this. You're not allowed to shoot here with a drone. But yeah, sometimes there are areas, mountain ranges that they're so huge, and you kind of want to show you the massiveness of it, and I won't be able to because the camera just from one spot, or from the street view, let's say, is just not enough. And the drone shot is just the perfect way to show the environment that you're in. Yeah, a lot better. And this channel is missing that thing, at least that thing. So a good thing is that I'm doing wire-wise as well, and I don't need any drone shots for that. But while I'm on the road in the mountains, yeah, that would be just sick to like have this drone following me on the motorbike. My buddy arranged a drone for me back in the Netherlands. Could get a good deal, and he was like, "I'm gonna send it to you." So I was thinking, listen, take it out of the box, put it in like a different box, so it doesn't look new. If it's a new drone and they see it's new, you're probably gonna have to pay import tax. And I don't want to pay, you know, in the Netherlands tax and in Thailand tax. That's just double. So I told him, take it out of the box, make it secondhand looking, and send it to me. Obviously, the story about the drone is not going to end well because it's a drone drama, right? What my friend did, he insured it, he put it on the post via UPS. Got a track and trace number. We've been following it. Got stuck at the Thai customs in China. They wanted to see an invoice of the UPS shipment. I thought that's fine. I asked my friend the invoice, he sent it by email. I sent the invoice from UPS to the Thai customs in China. And lucky enough, as expected pretty much, is that they were sending it through to Thailand. So their package was on the way again, got scanned, everything perfect. Like they really know what they do at UPS. Next day it arrived, we got a notification from UPS, and it arrived in Bangkok airport and was laying there, and it's and customs in Thailand, the Thai customs was holding my package, and it wanted to have a few things, no problem at all, copy passport, etc. Every form that I had to fill in, no problem. They also asked for an NBTC license. And that's basically an import license, so you can import products. This license is valid for 3 years, and it's more for business purposes. I went to NBTC in Chiang Mai, no problem. A lovely lady helped me, but she told me that it's gonna cost me more than 30,000 baht to register, and it has to be in Bangkok, and that's the only way to get your drone. So I'm like, no way, this is not true. Because 30,000, the drone itself is like 20,000 baht. So that's a lot of money as well, right? I think. Anyway, so I thought like, damn, I need to sort something out. I'm gonna have to send it back now. Back to the Netherlands, and I will see it back in the Netherlands, no problem. The lovely UPS sent me an email saying that I'm gonna have to register at NBTC. Also, if I want to return the package. So it's stuck at customs right now, right? I'm basically, if I want to claim that package, I'm gonna go through a long process. It's gonna take up to 6 weeks to get this certificate, the import license. Paying 30,000 baht and not even know if the package is still there. Actually, the package what is laying there, I'm gonna have to pay also 103 baht every day storage cost. So long story short, I'm not able to get my drone, and I kind of like have to just leave it at customs, and they're probably gonna destroy it or give it to someone as a present, I guess. So this is my drone drama story. Why am I telling you this really? Is if you are in Thailand, or if you're planning to come to Thailand, bring your drone. If you have a drone and you want to bring it, no problem. If you're here in Thailand, it's not illegal to have a drone. You can buy one here in Thailand. And that's what they want you to do. You cannot buy one on Amazon and make it ship here, because you're gonna have the same problem. Also, my friend was sending it to me, right? So if you have a friend that is sending it, customs is gonna confiscate it, and you won't be able to get it. Apparently, I found out today, actually, on the 1st of November, that this is a common thing that happens. Like, obviously I had to make this mistake first and then find out that there's more people making the same mistake. Don't make this mistake. Please don't, because you're losing all the money that you paid already for the UPS shipment, and that was like 70 euros or something for a shipment only, you know. And then also a new drone from DJI. Top class, really light, perfect for traveling. It's gone. Why I also make this video is that if you watched previous videos I've been like excited about getting this drone, and I told you like, oh, it will only be another few episodes before I start shooting drone shots. So yeah, that is not gonna happen now. I still try to work out like if there is still a way, or maybe, you know, pay someone under the table to get this drone. But by the looks of it, I'm not able to get this drone and need to get another drone. But yeah, that doesn't really fit in my budget, and I kind of want to keep traveling as long as possible to show you not only Thailand, but hopefully the world. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I hope you stick with me with or without the drone for another few months. You know, it's Christmas is coming up, so hopefully I'll be able to give us a Christmas present and give us a drone. So be able from January onwards, I'll go to the Netherlands to show you my country for a few weeks. And the plan is for sure I'm gonna show you London, do a YOY London. And also I may be able to go to Berlin, YOY Amsterdam obviously. And then after that I wanna go to my Indonesian roots and show you this lovely, this beautiful, very diverse country, Indonesia, afterwards. So that will be like in next year, but until the end of the year I was still here in Thailand, the north of Thailand. I'll stick around, probably gonna go to Bangkok. YOY Bangkok is coming up, and I'll show you the beauty of Nan. We're gonna go to a few different provinces here in the north of Thailand, so I hope you stick with me for that one. And unfortunately not gonna be drone shots, but I kind of know my way around to trick that a little bit. So yeah, let's give it a positive twist. We are still in Thailand, we're still alive, healthy as usual. Yeah, it's a pity, it's a waste of money and time, because I took you back to Chiang Mai because of this drone, right? And then I found out that it's not possible after like 3 or 4 days being interacting with the UPS and with Thai customs. Let's don't be down, let's stay positive. We will still be able to travel and see Thailand culture. I'm gonna try to find some wisdom here as well. But hey champs, I've been walking around now, and I think we're gonna, champs, do you know if I finish can go all around? Yeah. Can go all around. Oh, okay, nice. So I have to go this way. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Cap. Nice. Oh, so we can actually walk around. I thought it was kind of a U shape. The sun is down now. It's hiding behind some clouds, and then soon enough it will disappear behind Tap Mountain. Maybe I can take you for a little coffee break. I don't know, it might be a bit late for that, but that would be nice. Let's have a look. Let's put this on. Close, no? Close? No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. Just past 5. They just closed up. That's okay. We just keep on walking. There is something open there as well. Hopefully I can take you right there. And yeah, go for a coffee or maybe a little snacky. There are these electric buses. Oh. And yeah, I tried to stop him, see if we can go on. Oh. Can I go on? Can? I don't know where this is going, but we're just getting in. Wow. And we're out. So the gentleman, the gentleman in the bus, he's like, the bus driver basically, he's like, no, don't film. What's fine enough. But yeah, he took us a little bit on a electric bus, the electric van. What's nice enough. Ooh, we might have a little snack here as well. Look at this. Do you still have food? Oh, that looks delicious. Can I have a avo tomato poached egg?
Okay. Should I have here or take away?
Have here, please. And mint condition?
Have one avocado poached egg for have here and one mint
Perfect. Thank you so much.
145.
Can I pay with this?
Sure.
You're amazing. Thank you so much.
Best moment.
Yeah, of course. Thanks. Energy is milk times coffee. There you go. We've got a mint condition and also food on the way. Now, this day started pretty good and then it went south pretty fast. I want to end this video on a happy note. We are still able to travel the north of Thailand with or without a drone. I'll take you along. I'm happy to tell you I'm actually going to the Netherlands. I'll be able to take you to my home country to show you the Dutch culture. I'm thinking of going to Indonesia, and if it's possible I'm going there for sure. But also if it's not possible I'll be able to go to a different country. I'll make it work. I'll take you along for 100% sure. I'll going traveling with you for the next maybe year. A year would be nice, maybe 2. And not only Thailand based, so hopefully you're not only interested in Thailand, because I'm gonna take you and show you different cultures than just Thai culture. In the future we carry on finding different topics on life, but all travel related, and I believe food is ready. I would like to say from Angkyo Reservoir, the north of Thailand, at the University of Chiang Mai. Bye for now and stay champ. Champs, I totally forgot to tell you that the first plan of today was going to the airport and show you the international flights that's coming into Chiang Mai. Now I looked online and you can actually see which flights are coming in and a departure as well. There's only flights today from Bangkok and from Phuket. I know Chiang Mai is supposed to reopen today, but no international flights whatsoever. So I'm not sure what that story is, but I tried to find out. And might get back to you in the next episode. But yeah, I didn't want to leave you with not mentioning this, because the 1st of November was a big day. I think a big day in history, maybe even the history of the Corona times, you know. Anyway, I want to say bye for now and stay champ.